This is 1:52, and if you see some visitors at that time, you know something's not right. They managed to open our car and ransack the glove box and the storage box. Now I have recently purchased the wire-free 2K camera from Eufy, product made by a company called Anchor. So as you can see, it says 180 days. I can confirm this is somewhere near those days. This one is the 2K one. So I bought this from Amazon. Arrived today. Reason behind purchasing one of these was because I've had a recent burglary. People arrived, two lads. I'll show you the clip of the video. What comes in the box is some papers and some stickers to show that the house is protected. And there is the bad boy. There is the camera there. So you just screw it from there. It's an add-on I already have with the charging cable. I already have the Eufy set up already. So the whole video this time around is to show you how to pair the connection bits and the screws there. I take them out already. So you just screw them onto there and you screw them. This you can take out now, and this one attaches to the camera like that. But the first thing is to pair this. So I'll use my app, which I already have now. I have already set up a few cameras already. So there's a condition there, motion in the office, which is where I am at the minute. If you can see that. So at the bottom there it says add a device. You just press that and you find the camera. This is the 2C. Is it the Pro? I believe it's this one here, the Pro. So I need to keep this base within 1 meter of the base. So I'll probably need to do this inside the house. We'll check back coming from the house. Right, this is where my base is. It's here, and it needs that to be close to it. It's connected wirelessly to the internet hub, which is down there. So I have everything under at the back of the TV, because also this works as a doorbell chime, and I've got another setup around the house. So for this camera, we'll continue and press next. Then it says click on sync at the top of the camera for 2 seconds. You see that? Then you hear a beep.
Ready to add device. Device was added successfully.
Just like that. So you then say where you're going to put it, which is there. Next, initializing. How easy is this? Added successfully. Next. Then you can now customize then it's fully charged. I charged it earlier on. Then now the instructions on how to mount the camera, and you press next. There you go. We are actually being recorded by, there we are. Finish. That's it. How to pair the Eufy Security camera with your system. How easy was that, folks? Right, now the mounting I'll show you after I've mounted it, and I'll come back to the screens. There you go. I've done the circles in there and all sorted. There's some 2 pins there that I need to make sure I get to. As I was filming at night. As you can see, I've made it as tight as possible on there. That's it. And now put the camera on. Make sure the gap between there is enough for the camera as well, and it's also protected from the rain anyway, but it's waterproof anyway, so that would be good. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel so that we can share more ideas and any questions about Eufy Security and electric vehicles. Thank you. Perfect, absolutely perfect. Then you can click on it and I am now live. I can see as far as I need to be fair. It looks like it's positioned absolutely perfect, and I can turn on the spotlight as well on there. There you go.